In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Claude desktop app. If you've decided you no longer need the desktop version or you're troubleshooting and want a clean slate, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove it using built-in Windows tools. Uninstalling the app won't delete your Claude account or any cloud content. It simply removes the desktop application from your computer. We'll start by opening Search. On Windows, the fastest way to get there is by clicking the search icon on your taskbar or tapping the Windows key and starting to type. Either approach brings up the system-wide search box so you can quickly find the right settings without digging through menus. Next, type Apps and Features. You should see a result that opens the Apps and Features section of Windows settings. This is the centralized place where you manage installed programs. On recent versions of Windows, it may appear under Settings with a path like Apps, then Apps and Features. Go ahead and open it. You'll land on a page that lists the software installed on your device and provides controls to modify or remove them. With the Apps and Features page open, use the search box on that page to narrow the list. Type Claude. This filters the results so you don't have to scroll through everything. If Claude Desktop is installed, it will show up by name here. If nothing appears, that typically means it isn't currently installed on this machine. When you see Claude in the filtered list, click on it to reveal the available actions, then choose Uninstall. Windows may present a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to remove it. Select Uninstall again to proceed. You might also see a system permission dialog asking to allow changes. This is normal for uninstallers. After you confirm, Windows will handle the removal. Depending on your system, the process can take a few moments while files and shortcuts are cleaned up. Once the uninstaller finishes, Claude Desktop will be removed from your apps list and will no longer be available from your Start menu. If you opened Apps and Features through Search, you can simply close the Settings window when you're done. That's all there is to it. To recap, you opened Search, went to Apps and Features, filtered the list by typing Claude, and then selected Uninstall. These built-in steps are reliable, straightforward, and require no additional tools. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly and cleanly uninstall the Claude desktop app.